Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Taylor Raquel, and if you are new here, welcome. If you're not new, you're returning, welcome back. I'm gonna do a meal prep video. This one's gonna be kind of like all over the place as far as like my meals go, but I'm on like a body recomp journey, so my meals will be kind of high in protein. So if that's what you're kind of interested in, and you're interested in like fat loss and building muscle, then I definitely have some good recipes for you. So just stay tuned.
I love you, no day for me, young girl. Oh, young girl. No, tell me, no, 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 no. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, come give me your lo, 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 lo. Oh, 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 oh. You got me like, oh, 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 oh. Shawty, come give me your lo, 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 lo. Oh, 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 oh. I see this fine girl for my party. She wear yellow. Every other girl they do too much, but this girl mellow. Time I define situation, I go use they tell I'm mellow. Finally I find way to talk to the girl, but she ain't no one follow. When you gonna phone for one? When you know I go for one? Then I start to feel like bum bum one. She dey give me small small one. I know she start to pass it down one. But she feeling insecure, cause her friends but they come like drink go on. When they come like drink go on. Calm down, calm down. Yo, just your body put in my heart for lockdown, for lockdown, for lockdown. Yo, you sweet like phantom, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, no day for me, young girl, oh young girl. No tell me no, 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 oh, 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 oh. Baby, come give me your lo, 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 oh, 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 oh. You got me like oh, 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 oh. She come give me your lo, 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 oh, 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 oh. As I reach my house, I say make her rest more. As me I wake up, now she did my mind don't. Day one, day two, one of you folk go us. Now so me I go long, so make me link go up. As I start to get alive, you know my head.
Feeling like I'm floating to the ceiling, is it magic? Baby, tell me why you disappearing, is it magic? I won't ever tell them how I did it, it was magic. Can you imagine? Putting in the mattress, but the way I stack it, I can make it rain blue, and it's can you catch it? If somebody come through, bluffing, I'm a blaster. And tell the police I don't know what happened. If I gave a fuck about a snitch, I'd always be broke. I never get to pull up in the bins with my locs growing up. We was post, so we hopped off that post with a gun, tryna blow, tryna kick down your throat. That's no news, spreading love now. Sick of police lights, sick of gun sounds. Niggas bread they ain't up, so they come foul. But it's handshakes, hugs when I come around. Wow, funny style. Hate to see a nigga smile there, 100 pounds there, running through the bullet house there, moving mountains. Fuck who I was stepping down with, gunning down shit, sitting in the back of ground, big so jank. Know them niggas down the street still hate me. Hope little baby know that she can't play me. Dumb hoe, love cost, but the game free. Dumb hoe, feeling like I'm floating to the ceiling, is it magic? Baby, tell me why you disappearing, is it magic? I won't ever tell them how I did it, it was magic. Can you imagine? Putting in the mattress, yeah, the way I stack it, I can make it rain blue, and it's can you catch it? If somebody come through, bluffing, I'm a blaster. And tell the police I don't know what happened. Yeah, gripping blush, that's the only thing I ever been in love with. So I hope you know he never going public.
Only girl. Only girl. Ooh, baby, she keep it on me. Shawty keep it on me. Ooh, yeah, shawty. She keep it on me. Shawty keep it on me.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you tryna tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental, you know.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on the lips you touch, your kiss, you know, your traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in, I knew we couldn't fall back. Knew I'd always come back. Cause baby, you see everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, you see everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, you see everything I tried. You'll be shining my silver lining. Baby, you see everything for me, for me, Love the way you teach me, love the way you listen. You know all my details, you're so damn attentive. You get my attention, babe. Can't forget to mention, babe. I'ma keep you lifted, you so fucking gifted. And how many girls out in the world that say that they had it? And how many bitches that be getting messages to maintain a status? That was before me, it's childish. You don't like to wild, and now you can be wild with me. Run that mile with me, get too close out with me. Oh, I need you, not you fly perfectly. It's like intensive, I want you intensively.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I really appreciate if you would like, comment, and subscribe, and leave some recipes down below if y'all have some things that y'all would want me to try, that y'all have favorite, like food favorites, you know, meals that you like to eat. But yeah, that's gonna conclude today's video, and be looking forward to these kind of videos on Wednesdays. I'm gonna start on Wednesdays, kind of like a weight loss Wednesday, because like I said, I'm on a weight loss journey. I'm trying to like do a body recomp of losing fat and gaining muscle. But yeah, that's gonna conclude today's video. Thank you so much for watching.